This is the easiest everyday makeup routine for beginners that enhances your natural beauty and creates a youthful glow that lasts all day. With some practice, this 3-step routine will take your face card game to another level. Most people don't realize how important this is, but the pro makeup artists take skin prep very seriously, especially if you want your makeup to look glowy and fresh all day. I start with a toner on a cotton pad. This will provide the first layer of hydration and get rid of any dust or dead skin. I have combination skin, so I use a serum and a moisturizer. If you have oily skin, a moisturizer might be enough. Now you're ready for step 2, base makeup. It took me years to figure out a recipe for a simple and long-lasting base, and if you can only take one thing from this entire video, it should be less is more. I like to use a blurring primer only on my T-zone where I want more smoothness. Using a color corrector under your eyes to cancel out your dark circles is crucial. This step makes sure you look refreshed and natural. You can use any foundation that works for you. For everyday use, I like something with light coverage and sun protection, so I use a BB cream. Collect a small amount on your sponge and place it first on the outer area of your face where your skin is thicker and blend it inwards and outwards. Be aware of how much pressure you are applying and do not rush this. Foundation makes you look flat, so adding back definition helps your final look more natural, and this is also where you can manipulate your features to your liking. I use a cream contour to make the tip of my nose smaller, a light coverage concealer to brighten the center of my face where I have some shallowness, and cream blush as a base for powder blush. First layer of setting spray. Powder products help to set all the creams in place and help them last longer. I recommend a powder with reflective property on top of everything to complete that filter in real life look. Again, less is more. Then we'll add powder blush on my eyelids and on my lips as a natural lip liner. Using the same color all over your face is an easy way to keep your look cohesive. Step 3 consists of the final touches, your eyes and your lips. The eyes are the windows to your soul, and we cannot have dusty windows. I usually keep the eyeshadow simple. The middle portion of my face is large, so I find that adding natural eye bags help balancing the proportion of my eyes. Then I finish it up with a simple pencil liner and favorite lashes. Reshaping your brows changes your face. 2 rules. Your eyebrows should have similar color to your hair, and your brows should be longer than your eyeliner. My favorite lip combo for a long-lasting look is a stain and a gloss. I keep the lips minimal because I like to switch lip products throughout the day to test them. I personally love a glowy look, So I apply a glowy blush topper on my blush. Last but not least, a second layer of setting spray to lock it all in. And you are done. Do you want a 5-minute version? Comment below. Thank you for watching.